handle it.
He can handle it.
Don't act like you remember when you don't know my name. You forgot.
So nice to meet ya.
Don't tell me about the traffic if you're 10 minutes late. Just say it.
You're late.
I'm late.
You're late.
Don't say that you're not hungry if you already ate. You're full.
I'm full.
Oh, you're full, all right.
Your eyes are jumping round. You're starting to blink. You seem a little nervous 'cause something sort of stinks. If it smells like bologna,
Smells like bologna.
it might be bologna.
Might be bologna.
If it feels kind of phony,
Bologna, bologna.
sounds like bologna to me. Yeah.
Kapit dito na late. May taon sa nato sa display. Siguro na alam niyo yun. First spin. Dito guys, what? Display na to. Kapit sa mga escalator. Yo, what's up guys? So, nanatagati karon sa SM Downtown, no? So, dari ang atong marketing activity karon. Natin mga display dari sa SM Downtown guys. So, muna ito mga dala ngayon. Ayan. Natay Cafe 400. Then ang atong ADP. 755 I 758 I ang atong Explorer 750. And so ang atong location guys is dili lang gid sa escalator. Diri sa kung wala ko na sa iyo is diri ni siya sa CM Recto nga entrance. So makakita mo ning escalator pasakat guys, nalang ta diri sa gilid. So starting today, nag-start me today Thursday, February date na to, February 13 until Monday may. So sa kato makaagi diri sa SM Downtown, narami diri sa gilid guys.